Parag Milk Foods Limited, an FMCG company. Company produces various products like ghee, fresh milk, milk powder, cheese, whey protein, butter, and more. And commands a market share of 35% in cheese segment and 22% in ghee segment. Govardhan, Avita, Top Up are some well-known brands of the company. The company was incorporated in 1992 and got public in 2016. They are based in Pune, with more than 1,300 employees and more than 800 workers. Company has 3 manufacturing plants, located in Pune, Chittoor, and Sonipat, with a processing capacity of 34 lakh litres of milk per day, 10 lakh litres of whey per day, 110 metric tons ghee and cheese per day, and 20 metric tons paneer per day. The market cap of the company is 2,161 crore rupees, and currently trading at 181 rupees per share. The company has a 19% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 61% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company has 29 depots, more than 6,200 distributors, and 4.6 lakh retail touchpoints, and aims to reach 13 to 15 lakh retail touchpoints by fiscal year 2027. According to Statista report, FMCG segment in India is expected to reach around $600 billion by fiscal year 2027. The performance of the company in fiscal year 2022 was disrupted due to COVID-19. However, the company is now showing good signs of recovery. The promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters has increased through preferential basis allotment. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. Public holding is dropping, indicating that domestic investors are buying from the public. In fiscal year 2022, company did preferential basis allotment to promoters along with multiple investors. Company exports to more than 30 countries, with revenue concentration of 99% from domestic and 1% from exports. Company has 1 subsidiary and strong presence in 7 cities and has partnered with more than 5 lakh farmers. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.